Buddy, how's it going out there? Anyways, today's Saturday, January the 14th on channel 40. I was having a conversation with this guy that's got this really awesome sounding Tweety bird. I'm going to go ahead and play it for you. Take a listen.
Arizona. Hey, I was wondering, what kind of a key up sound there do you have? Your key up sound, your little squirt sound there when you key up, what is that called? Can you give me your email address? Do you have an email address? I just wanted to ask you where you got those from. Okay, I was wondering, do you know if he could build me one? Alright, cool, yeah, that's what I wanted to email you for, to see if I can maybe buy one of those from you, Roger.
Anyways, yeah, I was having a conversation with him, and then the conditions kind of faded in and out. So if anybody knows who that is in the Buckeye State with that Tweety bird, send him a message for me to email me. It's radioman24@hotmail.com. Radioman, and then the number 24@hotmail.com. Tell him this is the guy out in Arizona who was asking him about his Tweety bird up there in the Buckeye State. All right, any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.